In fact, Gomoafuo mo hoya me mobo papa. Gomoa Central. Mo MP kura yen kan na asem.
Abuza from mo nyina makwaba e de Ghana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin Chankra, Mommy Uncle, the Uncle video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here.
In fact, Gomoafuo mo hoya me mobo papa. Gomoa Central. Mo MP kura yen kan na asem nwie, A+ yen kan na asem nwie. Ene Gomoa West fo nso so Captain Smart Trinity wo ho. Gomoafuo ho omobo. Gomoafuo man hwe ni ya mo bebra che o. Mama mani na ho Gomoafuo mama mani na ho saman hwe ni ya mo bebrache A+ de yen kan wie e wo Central ho ene West ho nso so na Kojo atwe ti se oba bepe eye MP adi wo ho mama mani na ho a sane eye Kojo no saa na beye kwabna sane eye kwabna na ano no saa na beye Kojo mama mani na ho Gomoafuo mama mani na ho minim yenti ene obi asori a Gomoa ho no ode nani kire ene Gomoa Central mahu ni esi wo ho mahu nsem a ye keka kire eye constituent wo ho Gomoa West mama mani na ho mama ma adwene mu na ho na mama mani na ho se mo se mo be ma Captain Smart mo beto aba ma na ma Captain Smart abaye MP di amamo a etoje mo a men ka bibia nka ho se mo beto aso ato aba di ama Captain Smart say Gomoafuo constituency na friend Gomoa West no Gomoa West no se mo be ma Captain nenso na aka echi sebe ya say ayenkwasiafo kasa Gomoa West fo ma mon kasa ni bi se mihu yanka se mo se mu po bi ama na be member of parliament akogina mu wo parliament di amamo a it is not Captain Smart, read my lips anya Captain Smart wate mo mama ni na ho na nkade na asie die na asie se nkene ye da sore ne ye se obi betwi ni tia kopre ya mpia anka ye Kojo Smarta die na asie die nti na osa nke basa Kojo na anka ye kopre ya mpi na die asem ni o man na himfa ne ye kwei ene de obi a kekena timi sore ya bepre eye mpi ni bi ana Kojo ti TV so anopa bi entia ana Kojo ba mu TV so entia ana mu hu obi o TV so ani ade ada Gomoafuo mama mani na ho mama mani na ho mama mani na ho a maso be ye sibruta se mama mani na ho a e ma ne nyamo sesa de Kojo gina TV so kekema no pa bia no Kojo odwene mo ho bia o yempesi ye be kansem yen kansem na emum Gomoafuo mama mani na ho mama mani
asema esi enra no eye obia ayogo nipa ewu niema asei aba na hu dia esi wa enya sem ketwa na sede coordinator kan no enya hankwa na esi bibre na nipa bibre na aba kan ena meka se mint na fie misumeba ama ba be hu de esi na ma chichiri mo we na mama mo shede na we die Ghana for nyina problem no nti gise nyina ye kabom na yetimi hu akwan a ye be fa so ama saade emba biu nti nyina ye be kabom aye saa Agyimi Say mudi bibi to enim nipa bi omuni eduane ndipo omuni atade enhye minu bai obewo la oko hospital problems no dos meso meye ade kakra meso metimi aye aboa mo na meso my country aban say omoso embremu na omobaboa me sure say omobaba na we dey serious pa na if you say ye state of emergency mpo a yen declare state of emergency na yen fa we nyina embeye na mayen mu nyina na yemishira mo na mede nyame ebeja mu nyina mede muaso ebeba na ebema medamo ase.
This is the real definition of a good leader. Good leader, ekwati bia ne manfo team na wakwahye omon kran na wa de obetu na ho de betumi aye na de abeboa. Mahama de wo suro se obeti atechem. Wo suro se obekwati bia manfo wo na ye Tweaa uka taxpayers money e na ye di Tweaa uka. Ghana for one my yensensi form papa. One my Ghana for esi form. Now I don't blame you. Me blame Ghana for na enya daje ko sell lie eto abasama because wo betena so for good 12 years. Wo be ye vice president. Ema wu jade atamos ewu ye. Ye disa show nsama wo buye. Wo wie wo se wo nye president da. Ema ye vote ma wo ma wo be di 4 years aye 8 years. Wo se a we twa 4 years chinchira ye sama wo mra se who betwa 12 good years. Who to me nyehwe. Who promises and kukwan ketenkete omo adwane and confirm a wodi buy omo kọ Burkina. Komoafuo a who promise omo se obetu ebula ama koko farmers bia who buy wa beti koko no so ewum. Won san so ntuaka we firi omo koko wodi omo ka. Wo buy wo see agenda 111 ye hu hwe afi na wo see market aye abeifo kodi dwa na access amanfo kodi dwa wom ye nti ase wo be sori e na we see market ne bathroom wo he efiri Kwame Nkrumah time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada wo ewo mu edidada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa enkrofo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians. We are very incompetent. Incompetent President Mahama administration. What disappointed Ghana for? Wo nyame eyineni efri oso nyame nsan ni oso. Won kwa wo ba power. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting president ewu. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting vice president ewu. Mun kwa mo party o. Mukwa mu party me say balok di wechi no Ghana for ansha this 2 years aka no ahohie hia wo balok di Ghana for be komu no esu bi mbada o
Bibia asay wo hwe your sports say hwe Black Stars afi Black Stars omuntimi hwe goal biom
ni incompetence na ewo nu mu no wodi be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo testa so na for ni na ekire no such an incompetency ye the world cup na be fie Brasters ya she goals say woto e bi nsi da
wodi be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sanitation for this sika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nyehwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi tata nso tonshona baby shi who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what pad saka wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours. Join it down. See, we did be a can once. On my way, just say you name on my issue. I walk. For your shame, my papa and not done who for Dr. Large Mahmoud Bomia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections echo, and no man Dr. Bomia, and then a digital Ghana for some bar, way, a mayor mamona. Monsieur, Maki and Sem Patadi and Sakai. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be a leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impuye because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi say oh, I mean say we say people for akonfo. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals, ma mo so mo ya akonfo. A comfort ma facilitate me on be fund free seniors so mo ya akonfo. You say anya Ghana for debut. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women omo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel them go watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi, me na me go catch you Rajon Dramani ma say all members come to Mutuwa. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there bi. Digitalization and to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba, omo ma mo kinki, amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. And the Rajon Dramani mama could not and can form Gafun catch up say, oh, Gafun, oh, now what they are making and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear Koya cried him and now to me who let be a y0u about Council of State member voter region. Now, Miss Fiums, hey, Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.
Or sister.